Hey everyone, welcome back to Voyage Virtuoso. Robotics has evolved from simple mechanical devices to advanced AI-powered machines. In ancient times, automatons entertained and assisted in palaces. Fast forward to the early 20th century, pioneers like Nikola Tesla and George Devil created the first industrial robots, revolutionizing manufacturing. Today, robots are integral in various industries and even our homes. From household helpers to surgical assistants, they make life easier and safer. With companies like Boston Dynamics and Tesla leading the way, the future holds autonomous vehicles, space exploration robots, and more. Stay tuned for an exciting journey through the world of robotics. Let's start our journey in ancient times. Imagine a world where the first robots, called automatons, roamed the halls of palaces. In ancient Greece and China, inventors created mechanical beings to entertain and assist with simple tasks. These early robots couldn't do much compared to today's standards, but they were the first steps towards the amazing machines we have now. For example, in ancient Greece, a man named Hero of Alexandria created a mechanical theater that could put on short plays, and in China, a mechanical figure that could serve tea. Fast forward to the early 20th century. This is when things got really interesting. Nikola Tesla, a brilliant inventor, created an automaton that could move and do simple tasks. Around the same time, George Devil invented the Unimate, the first industrial robot. These inventions changed the way we think about machines and what they can do. The term robot itself was first used by Karel Čapek in 1920, dreaming of a future where robots could help humans with everyday tasks. Tesla's automaton was a remote-controlled boat, and Devil's Unimate worked on a General Motors assembly line, handling hot pieces of metal. Now let's talk about robots today. In modern factories, robots work tirelessly on production lines, making everything from cars to electronics. They make production faster, safer, and more efficient. These robots are designed to do repetitive tasks without getting tired or making mistakes, which is a huge advantage for companies. For instance, in the automotive industry, robots can assemble a car from start to finish, welding parts together and installing components with precision. But robots aren't just found in factories. They are also in our homes, hospitals, and even in our pockets. Have you heard of the Roomba? It's a small robot that cleans your house for you. You just set it up, and it goes around your home, vacuuming the floors. In hospitals, robots assist doctors in surgeries, helping them to be more precise and improving patient outcomes. These advancements are powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, which make robots smarter and more capable. For example, the Da Vinci surgical system allows surgeons to perform delicate procedures with enhanced precision and control. Cutting-edge companies like Boston Dynamics and Tesla are pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. Boston Dynamics creates robots that can walk, run, and even do backflips. They can navigate complex environments and perform tasks on their own. Tesla is working on robots that can help in high-risk situations, making our world safer. The role of AI in these robots is crucial. It makes them not just machines, but intelligent assistants. Boston Dynamics robots like Spot, a robotic dog, can be used in various applications, from search and rescue missions to inspecting hazardous sites. Tesla's AI projects include self-driving cars that can navigate traffic and make driving safer. Now let's talk about the future. Autonomous vehicles are set to change the way we travel. Imagine self-driving cars and drones that can transport us safely and efficiently. These vehicles are being developed to navigate roads and skies without human input, which could reduce accidents and make transportation more accessible to everyone. The impact on transportation, safety, and urban planning could be huge. Companies like Waymo and Uber are testing self-driving cars that could one day pick you up and drop you off without a driver. Robots are also key to space exploration. From Mars rovers to lunar robots, they are paving the way for future missions and even colonization. NASA and SpaceX are working on robots that can explore other planets, gather data, and help build habitats for humans. As we venture further into space, robots will be our companions and assistants, making it possible to explore places that are too dangerous or far away for humans to reach. For instance, the Mars rover Perseverance is equipped with instruments to search for signs of past life and collect rock samples for future return to Earth. But with all these advancements come important questions. How will robots impact jobs? What about privacy concerns? It's crucial to address these questions as we move forward. Balancing innovation with ethical considerations will shape the future of robotics. We need to make sure that as robots become more integrated into our lives, they are used responsibly and ethically. Experts suggest that while robots might replace some jobs, they could also create new opportunities in tech and robot maintenance. Privacy concerns arise with AI-powered devices that collect data, so regulations and safeguards are essential to protect user information. In summary, robotics has come a long way from ancient automatons to today's advanced AI-powered machines. The journey has been fascinating, filled with incredible inventions and breakthroughs. As we look to the future, the possibilities are endless. Robots will continue to evolve, helping us in new and exciting ways. They will assist in industries, healthcare, our daily lives, transportation, and even space exploration. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts on the future of robotics. Until next time, stay curious and stay inspired.